Do you want to know how you can create a Telegram channel for your business? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Telegram channel for your business. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the three lines over here and you can see there is option of your profile. Now you can see that you can create a group by clicking on this pen icon and click new chat. Now go ahead and write down your business name. So let's go ahead and write down the business name. Go ahead and write down the description of your shop. So write about your shop. So let's write my shop products. So you can go ahead and write this, click on the tick mark, and you can see that turn this channel type to public and write down your public link. So after you write down your public link, you can see that you must write the link which is not taken. So after you do this, go ahead and click on the tick button, and what you need to do is add your subscribers. So you can go ahead and add the subscribers of your choice. So go ahead and choose your subscribers, click on the next button, and there you go. You can click send invite link and you can see that your channel has been created. Now you can also go to channel settings and you can see that you can also enable the appearance which makes your business channel look great, and you can also click discussions and add discussions to the chat, and you can see you can add or remove the subscribers, administrations, and you can also check the statistics from here. So this is it, guys. This is how you create a Telegram channel for your business. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.